If you're looking to write meta descriptions and page titles more effectively, AI can make the process a whole lot easier. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to create compelling meta descriptions and page titles that not only help with SEO, but also drive more clicks. Stay with me until the end, because I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using today. When creating meta descriptions and page titles with AI, the key is to keep them clear, concise, and relevant to your content. Meta descriptions should summarize your page's content in under 160 characters, while page titles need to grab attention and include your main keywords. Using AI tools for this allows you to generate options quickly and make sure you're hitting the right tone and structure. So how do we do it? Start by inputting your main topic or keyword into the software. The AI will generate multiple variations of your title and description. This helps you see different options and pick the one that aligns best with your message and target audience. For meta descriptions, the AI will often offer several sentence structures, giving you flexibility and saving time. Just make sure your descriptions are compelling and encourage users to click. When generating page titles, you want to make sure they are optimized for SEO while being enticing. You should always include your primary keyword at the beginning of the title. AI can quickly provide variations and help you make the most out of your character limit. Whether you're working on product pages, blog posts, or landing pages, the AI will give you several options to test out. The software we're using today isn't just any tool. It's designed to help you generate meta descriptions and titles that resonate with both search engines and users. I've tested out the most popular options, and this one stands out for its simplicity and accuracy. If you want to follow along, I've got a special deal for you. Check out the description below for an exclusive free trial only available to viewers of my channel. One thing to remember is that while AI can generate excellent suggestions, don't forget to add your own personal touch. Make sure the title and description are aligned with your brand voice. You can tweak the suggestions the AI gives you to make them sound more natural or specific to your audience. So, the key takeaway here is simple. AI can save you time and improve your meta descriptions and page titles, but it's important to fine-tune the suggestions to match your style. The process is as easy as inputting your main keyword and letting the AI generate several options. Remember to always include your primary keyword in both the title and description for maximum SEO impact. Before I close, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of the software I mentioned earlier in the description. If you want to follow along, now's the time. And just to recap, focus on concise and compelling meta descriptions and titles, let AI do the heavy lifting, and then fine-tune the results to match your voice. Thanks for watching.